Alright guys, so I decided to do a two-in-one video. So with this kind of radio for the Sentra, and over there I have a older body Sentra with the older radio. So I'm gonna do the Bluetooth for that also. Alright, so it's gonna be the new style first and then the older style after, about around the 5-minute marks. Alright, so you can skip to around that. And let's get to it. Guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to connect your phone through, via Bluetooth on your Nissan Sentra. This is a 2019. So this is the SR trim and the radio is different from the other one, which I noticed that also, so I probably show you how to do that. So you see you have the SR badge right there. Alright, and have a little sportier look than the regular Sentra. You want to come in the car, turn your car on, and you can do this two ways. You can do it through here, we say connection, and you're gonna pop up that menu right there, and you can come right here at info. No, not info, you come at settings, and you press connection right here. Alright, so you want to get your phone, and you can add up to 6 devices. So I'm going to show you how to delete a device in case yours is full and you need to get rid of one or delete all of them. So what you want to do is press add new, and you're gonna get your phone and look for your My Sentra. So you want to press on all the Bluetooth right there, and it's gonna scan, and you should see My Sentra right there. So as you see, My Sentra right there. So alright, so your car doesn't come up with that, right? Come on, just like that. You want to scan the for Bluetooth. After you set the radio at this part, you're gonna see My Sentra. Then you wanna click My Sentra, and it's gonna that's gonna come up. You're gonna check it on your phone, make sure it's the same. Then you're gonna press OK, and that's it. That's all you have to do. It's now connected. You can press audio, you can click source, and you can select Bluetooth now, and you can play song from your phone, as you see. That's it. So that's for the people who like to listen to their own radio or make calls. And also, you come into your phone, or you come into the I dropped the phone. Also, you come into your connection right here, right? You only can add like 6 Bluetooth device, and it's all full. So what you would need to do is press the I right there, and you can see where to delete the Bluetooth device. And also, if you want to add your you can add your phone book and all that, but it's not from here. It's gonna ask you for that when you're setting up the Bluetooth. And you just click right here, and that's it. That's how you delete the device out of your phone. It's gonna tell you when it's deleted. It's probably taking long because it's connected to the phone right now. So, but there you go. That many, and then you see it's all clean. So thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. And peace out. See you next time. Alright guys, so this is the old style radio. Crank it up and wait for the radio to come on. You can go ahead and turn on your radio, and wherever your radio at, you turn it down for copyright reason. But whatever the radio at, you press enter and settings right there, and you're gonna pop up this right here. Then you're gonna press enter again, because it's gonna be on Bluetooth. So if yours doesn't come on Bluetooth, you make sure you select Bluetooth right here. Then you press enter, and then you go to add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
Okay, then you're gonna search for it. Alright, so get your handset, go to your Bluetooth, and then you wanna scan for Bluetooth and look if you see My Car. So there's a Sonata, but we're not connecting to a Sonata. We're looking for a Sentra. It's supposed to say My Car. So let's look if we see that. So you might have to let the car turn on for a little bit, and then you try again and see if that worked. Alright, so there you go. Sometime you might search and search and it won't come up. You just let the car stay on for a little bit and start the whole process over, and then you connect to My Car.
Does the pin on your handset match the pin on the display? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Please confirm the pin matches using the handset.
Then you press OK right here. You ask for your
Galaxy
contact.
S5. Connected.
You can do all that, and that's it, guys. So if you want to play your audio from your phone, you would press that right there. Press it until it goes, it's cycled throughout the whole thing until it goes to Bluetooth, and you can see it's playing the Samsung, because I have no song on this, so it's playing that over the horizon thing. So that's it, guys, for both Sentra with this setup and the newer setup. All right, thank you guys for your love and support. Peace out, see you next time.